In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a before and after slider in Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix website editor. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that the correct site is already open in the editor. This is important because you'll be adding the app directly to the site you're currently working on. Once you're inside the Wix editor, look over to the left-hand toolbar. This panel contains the main tools you'll use to customize your site, including design elements, pages, media, and apps. For this task, you'll want to click on the apps icon. When you select it, Wix will open the app market, which is where you can browse and install extra features for your website. The app market is useful whenever you want to expand what your site can do without building something from scratch. In this case, you're looking for a visual comparison tool that lets visitors drag between two images to see a before and after effect. This can be especially helpful for portfolios, product demonstrations, transformations, or any content where visual comparison matters. After the app market opens, go to the search bar and type in before and after slider. Be sure to enter the name clearly so Wix can display the correct app in the results. Once you see the before and after slider app appear, click on it to review the listing if needed, and then choose Add to Site. At that point, Wix will install the app directly into your website editor. Depending on your connection, this may take just a few seconds. After it's added, you should see the slider appear on your page or become available for placement within the editor. From there, you can continue adjusting its position and later customize the images and settings to match your site's design. A helpful tip here is to give the editor a moment to fully load after adding the app, especially if your site already contains several elements. This helps ensure everything appears correctly and avoids accidental clicks while the new feature is being inserted. That's all you need to do to add the before and after slider from the Wix app market. Once it's installed, you're ready for the next stage of customization inside your Wix site.